Isa ka din bang online seller na ginawa na ang lahat para lang makabenta online pero wala pa rin nangyari sa e-commerce business mo? Or nag-stock ka ng sobrang daming products tapos hindi mo na alam kung paano ito ibenta? If gusto mong maibenta lahat ng products na binili mo at matutunan ang effective strategies and techniques kung paano makabenta through online marketing, I think this training is the most important training na kailangan mo nang mapanood ngayon. Don't worry my friend, kasi libre lang ang training na ito, and if you want to apply lahat ng matutunan mo sa training na ito using our dropshipping system, option lang naman ang mag-subscribe in our program, which will only cost you 999 pesos only. By the way, I'm Coach Ed Heronilla. I'm the CEO and founder of Technowell Creators. I already earned millions just by selling products online gamit ang strategies and techniques na ituturo ko sa'yo in this training. What I'm about to show you in the next page is the effective strategies and techniques kung paano ka makakabenta successfully through online marketing. This is the exact sales process ang ginamit ko para makabenta ng 3,029,896 pesos na sales in 2021, and as the making of this video, nasa 2.1 million sales na for this year kahit August pa lang tayo ngayon. The strategies and techniques na ituturo ko sa inyo in this training are my 4 years experience doing online marketing, and ituturo ko sa iyo ito for free. Alright? But please take note guys that this video will not be here forever kasi we only need 200 people na mag-take action and mag-enroll in this program. So, i-take advantage mo na ito my friend habang pwede mo pang ma-access ang free training na ito kasi anytime soon, mawawala ito. Okay? So while this training is still available, I urge you to click the button na nasa baba ng video na ito, or you can send us a message and I will personally message you para maibigay ko sa iyo ang aking secret strategies and techniques kung paano ka makakabenta successfully through online marketing. Alright? If you like it, take action now, click the send message button below, and see you in the next page.